Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use La Roche Posay Hyaluronic Acid Serum. First, ensure your skin is freshly cleansed and still slightly damp. This crucial step helps the hyaluronic acid attract and lock in moisture effectively. Dispense just 2 or 3 drops onto your fingertips. Gently press the serum into your face and neck, allowing it to absorb for about 30 seconds before moving to the next step in your routine. For best results, incorporate this serum into both your morning and evening skincare routines. It should be applied after cleansing and toning, but before any thicker moisturizers or facial oils. Think of it as a foundational layer for hydration. Remember to give each product about 30 seconds to fully absorb before applying the next, ensuring maximum efficacy for every step. This powerful serum offers significant benefits for your skin. Hyaluronic acid, a key ingredient, attracts and holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, providing intense hydration. It also contains vitamin B5, which helps to soothe and repair the skin's natural barrier. Regular use can lead to visibly plumper, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin with a healthy glow. To maximize the benefits of your hyaluronic acid serum, always follow its application with a good moisturizer. This helps to lock in the hydration and prevent moisture loss throughout the day or night. Additionally, incorporating a broad-spectrum sunscreen into your morning routine is essential for protecting your newly hydrated skin. Remember, consistent daily use yields the best and most lasting results for a healthy complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.